Imagine waking up tomorrow and everything feels out of control. The world is chaotic, your schedule is packed, and stress is mounting. How do you respond? Do you panic and let everything overwhelm you, or do you maintain a sense of calm and clarity? The truth is, we all face challenges, and the way you respond to them determines your peace of mind. What if I told you that the ancient Stoics knew how to navigate life's toughest obstacles with grace, and you can too? In this video, I'm going to share 3 Stoic lessons you must learn before it's too late. These lessons are timeless tools that can change the way you approach everything from daily stress to long-term goals. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be armed with wisdom that can transform your life. Lesson number 1, embrace the present moment. The first Stoic lesson is simple but life-changing. Embrace the present moment. In today's world, we're always distracted. We're either worrying about the future, regretting the past, or comparing ourselves to others. But as the Stoic philosopher Epictetus said, we are disturbed not by what happens to us, but by our thoughts about what happens. The key here is awareness. The present moment is the only thing we can control. Everything else, the past and future, is beyond our reach. By embracing the present, you let go of unnecessary stress and free yourself to focus on what truly matters. For example, imagine you're at work, feeling overwhelmed by your tasks. The Stoic approach is to focus on the task in front of you, without letting your mind drift to the countless other things you need to do. By doing so, you regain control over your emotions and actions. You can achieve much more with a calm mind than with one consumed by worry. If you learn to embrace the present, you'll find that life's challenges become more manageable. In a world that thrives on distractions, this lesson alone can change everything. Lesson number 2, control what you can, accept what you can't. The second lesson is rooted in control. You can't control everything that happens to you, but you can control how you respond. This is a cornerstone of Stoic philosophy, emphasized by Marcus Aurelius in his Meditations. He wrote, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength." This lesson is all about differentiating between what is within your control and what isn't. So often we waste our energy trying to control things that are outside of our reach, whether it's the actions of others or the outcome of a situation. This constant need for control leads to frustration and anxiety. But here's the good news. Once you understand what you can control, your actions, thoughts, and attitudes, you free up all that wasted mental energy. You can let go of the rest and accept it without stress. For example, if you're stuck in traffic, you can't change the situation, but you can control your reaction. Instead of getting angry or frustrated, you can choose to use that time wisely, perhaps by practicing deep breathing or reflecting on your day. This shift in perspective can drastically reduce your stress. The more you practice focusing on what you can control, the more at peace you will feel. This is the power of Stoic wisdom. Lesson number 3, Memento Mori. Remember that you will die. The third lesson is perhaps the most profound. Memento Mori. Remember that you will die. It might sound morbid, but this practice is at the heart of Stoic philosophy. By contemplating our mortality, the Stoics believed we could live with more purpose, more urgency, and more gratitude. Marcus Aurelius often reminded himself of this truth, writing, "You could leave life right now. Let that determine what you do and say and think." By accepting the inevitability of death, you break free from the trivial distractions and begin living a life that truly matters. This doesn't mean you should live in fear of death, but rather use it as a tool to focus on what's important. When you remember that life is fleeting, you start making better decisions, spending more time with loved ones, prioritizing your health, and chasing your dreams without procrastination. When I say remember you will die, I mean that you should live every day with purpose. Don't waste your time on things that don't bring value to your life. Time is your most precious resource, and it's limited. So there you have it. 3 Stoic lessons you must learn before it's too late. Embrace the present moment, control what you can, and accept what you can't, and remember that life is short. By applying these principles, you'll gain the mental clarity, strength, and peace that many people only dream of. Life will still throw challenges your way, but instead of being overwhelmed, you'll meet them with a calm, resilient mindset. Now it's your turn. Start practicing these Stoic lessons today and watch how they transform your life. It's never too late to begin. If you found value in this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more Stoic wisdom, and leave a comment below about how you plan to apply these lessons. Remember, life is too short to wait. Start living with purpose today.